everything in their power to tear you down. They plotted, they whispered, they spread lies and toxic rumors with one goal: to make you look small so they could appear big. But what they failed to understand is this: what they plotted for your destruction was always destined to become their downfall. They set the trap for you, but walked right into it themselves. These people couldn't stand your light. They couldn't handle your growth, your peace, your rising spirit. And instead of focusing on their own life, their own blessings, they obsessed over yours. They thought, if I can dim their light, mine will shine brighter. But it doesn't work like that. You cannot turn off someone else's flame and expect yours to burn brighter. That's not light. That's darkness. What they didn't realize is that your power doesn't come from the world. It comes from within, from above. You were chosen, set apart, blessed. You're not just any person walking this earth. You are royal. You are divine. You are the head, not the tail. You're not walking alone. You walk with angels, with purpose, with protection all around you. They didn't know who they were messing with. You never stooped to their level. You didn't retaliate. You didn't gossip back. You didn't waste your time trying to defend yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. Why? Because you're too focused, too elevated, too blessed to be stressed. While they were plotting, you were planning. While they were talking, you were building. While they were tearing down, you were rising up. Now, look what's happening. They're being exposed. The very lies they told about you are now circling back, showing the world who they really are. Because energy never lies. People may lie, words may lie, but energy tells the truth, and their energy has been revealed. Their bitterness, their envy, their obsession. It's on display now, and it's not a good look. See, what people forget is that spiritual law is always in effect. What you put out comes back to you. When you dig a ditch for someone else, you end up falling in it. When you speak curses over others, those words echo back and land at your own feet. And while they were so busy trying to block your blessings, they accidentally blocked their own. You, on the other hand, kept walking. You stayed about the light. You stayed aligned with purpose. You stayed rooted in love, humility, and authenticity. That's why everything is starting to shift in your favor. Doors are opening. People are recognizing you for who you truly are. Opportunities are coming. Healing is flowing. The tide has turned, and it's in your favor. Let me tell you something. No one throws stones at an empty tree. They saw your fruit. They saw your potential. They saw your blessings and thought, why not them? Instead of watering their own garden, they tried to poison yours. But the thing about divine gardens is they grow anyway. You were planted in good soil. Your roots run deep. Some of you have cried over this. You felt betrayed, misunderstood, and attacked for no reason. You asked God, why me? And the answer is, because you're the one. You're the one who breaks cycles, the one who leads others out of darkness, the one whose story inspires transformation. You were never being punished. You were being protected, purified, and prepared. Let them talk. Let them plot. Let them dig. You're not worried. You're not afraid, because you know who walks with you. You know that every tongue that rises against you shall fall. Every scheme against you shall fail. Every enemy that gathers against you will scatter. You are divinely shielded, and no weapon formed against you shall prosper.